Looking down the side of the car, you got the Roadrunner and his burnout trail all the way down. Check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of this car inside, out, and underneath. We have financing information and shipping information available as well. And before we get started, go ahead and hit subscribe on this page here. That way you can see all these classic cars that we post every single day. Full inventory list on our website. It's updated once a week. And we're gonna get started here. Looking around the front, the bumper looks good. The rubber on the front of the bumper is a little bit dry looking. You see that. The grille is in great shape. I love that front bumper with the fog lights in it. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna be here to point out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Any chips, scratches, anything that I can see, you'll know about. The trim is in excellent condition on this car. Coming down the side, I'm looking for any kind of flaws on the bottoms of the doors or anything I can find. This door's hanging a little bit on the bottom. Coming around the back here, they've already replaced the rear bumper. And this back end looks awesome. Dual exhaust out the back. The trim's all in great shape. The top looks good. You can see the top up in detailed pictures. A little bit of chrome coming off in the corner of that bumper there. Very small imperfection. Tires are in great shape on this one. The wheels look awesome. I will be getting some undercarriage shots here shortly. Mirrors are in good shape. Vent window looks pretty good. Got a little pitting around the trim of the window there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the keys. We're gonna pop the trunk, check it out, and then we'll check the interior out and start her up. Go ahead and be thinking, we do a little game here. Do you think that horn works? Need to get some weather stripping for this trunk. You can see where it was there. And it was glued down, but now it's missing. I guess it was falling apart and somebody took it out. Spare tire jack. Let's look under our mat, see if there's any water or rust, which there's not. This thing's in great condition. And the trunk's almost as shiny as the paint job itself. There we are. Let's go up here and check out the door panel. That thing looks great. Somebody's definitely replaced that. You get your little buddy hanging out in there. Weather stripping looks new around the door. Looking at this interior, it is in great shape. The seat's not all tore up. Headrests look nice and clean. Same with the back seat. It's in good shape. Carpet is a bit faded. I mean, that does happen with some of these older ones. When the top down, the sun beating in here. So you can see the dash itself is very clean. We'll go in here and try some stuff. Did y'all place your bets on this horn? All right. We'll go ahead and get her pulled out of here. Just start up nice and easy. Try your wipers. They're working good. Radio does not work in this one. It's an old school radio. It's not working. Showing 2,400 miles on the dash. Can't stand behind that in a 70 model. Gas gauge is up. Alternator's up. We'll be watching that temp gauge on the test drive video. Be looking for that test drive video. I'll be doing it soon. The blower motor does work. It's blowing from the dash and the floor right now. It's on defrost. All right, I'm gonna get her pulled out. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to give you some undercarriage shots. Gonna be looking under this car all the way around. I got close to 100 detailed pictures on my website, so definitely check that out. All right, we're gonna look up under the front, go to the driver's side, rear and passenger side, and we'll conclude this video, get ready to do a test drive, taking her down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws I could find on the drivetrain. All right, guys, let's look up under this. Guys, don't forget to check out maplemotors.com. That way you can get financing information, shipping information, all of our inventory, those detailed pictures. And also, we're on Facebook, Instagram. Actually, one of the guys here just created a TikTok. I said, go for it, man. Go join us on there. He's making videos constantly. I think he's already made like 15 today. Lots of social media that we're getting on here lately, and we're gonna keep doing that. Keep posting these cars, get them out there to you. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting more this week. I got tons of cars to get to. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.